gentlemen, the second Asia Sourcing Show
and the Global Sourcing Summit 2026
is now officially open for everyone.
Distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, my name is Regina. I serve as the Permanent Secretary General of the ASEAN Federation of Textile Industry.
Our mission is to help build smarter, stronger, and more sustainable apparel supply chains by uniting and supporting the global apparel manufacturing community.
What we have felt in the last 2-3 years is that Europe was moving ahead very fast, and moving fast alone, we fear that we are losing our competitiveness.
Asia is supplying 62% requirement of the garments, clothes to all over the world. We can make Bangkok is a next Asia's Las Vegas.
Thailand's role in ASEAN is potential platform for our region.
I believe China plus ASEAN plus Southeast Asian countries, we can dominate the industry.